stream/video. This is the first of the series of fixing the iPhone 7 Plus, at least replacing the battery in the screen. Um, all this stuff is about to be moved because this table that it's on is going to get raised up. So in this video, that's what we're doing. Some stuff under the table I got to move. I might talk through some of the tech stuff or I'm figuring out, but that's basically what's happening in this video. I don't know, maybe it'll be something else in this stream, but that is what's in my mind right now. So if that is what you're here for, great. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. And if you appreciate this video, I appreciate likes. And yeah, if you want to see the whole series, subscribe because I plan on finishing this. Oh man, dangerous words. I plan on finishing this. So this was from, I think I have thermal paste on that. And so that is from the project that I started. There's not really a great reason why this stuff can't get put on the floor. That's from the project that I just, the starter CAD PC. Yeah, it's not the best to put stuff on the floor, but with hardware stuff, like, I don't know, maybe people do it better if you're good with like organizing and stuff like that, like, great, but to some degree, you just end up playing Tetris because hardware takes up space in the physical world, and I don't really know where to put this repair mat. I guess it can all just go there. That's kind of dangerous, but just dangerous, not dangerous, just like whatever. So this is actually what I planned. I kind of took the pieces out that I thought I was going to need for this repair in advance because I thought I was going to be next, and then I ended up building the starter CAD PC, and that, you know, that project ended up being up next. So all this stuff has just been sitting, waiting for me. And I am really looking forward to fixing this. Phone. Very much looking forward to this. I think like it's a useful skill. Hi, Ghostface. Let me see what you're writing. Hi, Aslove Fanny. Message retracted. Ghostface, it says your message is retracted. Okay, SG, hi. Oh, interesting. Okay. This is confusing. I don't know if you guys are saying hi in English and another language because my phone is auto-translating. This stuff is kind of interesting. I found like a broken phone and a broken chip. So maybe I'll go over that. That's actually just a Raspberry Pi. But yeah, the broken phone, I don't know. I'm curious to go through these electronics that I find. You're from the UK. Okay, cool. Did you say that in English? Did you say hi in English? Because I think it auto-translated. Thanks for subscribing and liking, Asla Fanny. Appreciate it. Appreciate you. I'm just taking out stuff that I have stored sort of under here. And basically it's just a variety of sort of older electronics that I've kind of been given and I don't really want, but I would like them to see them go to good places. So like either sell them or maybe I'll donate them. Maybe I'll build them into other things if I can. I think I don't know, if I can build other electronics with some of the smaller things, then that would be cool. Ooh, where do I put this? I didn't plan really where to put this stuff. I was just like, this is happening. What's going on with everybody today? What's going on in your worlds? How have your days been? Are you interested in technology or Alexa? Or what are you interested in lately? Share with chat. I can go first. No one says anything. All right, so this table gets bigger, and whoops, I don't know what that was. Oh, that's my sign. Want it to be bigger because I want to be able to stand. I want to be able to stream this thing easily, and so I don't know. I think it gets bigger anyway. I'm hoping because you just pull. Oh, okay. Just pull. Oh, there's directions. Great. Oh. Like, bye, as Annie. Nice to see ya. Nice to meet ya. All right, what do the directions say? I've been learning languages lately for traveling purposes. That's what I've been up to. It looks like I pull the pins out to make it bigger or push pins in. So how do I do that? I don't have enough hands. I need a hand for each pin, and then I need a hand to push up. Yes! Okay, got a little bigger. Okay, cool. We're making progress, team. Good news. I'm using a foot. This is ridiculous. use my Colby. There we go. Okay. I don't know if you guys can actually see me, but I'm using my neck to make it to get the maximum height. I don't even know if we'll want the maximum height. Okay. This one isn't going up. Oh, now it is. Okay. Locked. Awesome. Okay. This will be the phone fixing table. That's the way. I had some different ideas, but I don't know. We'll see. Wow, this is really tall. I'm like, do I want it to be a little shorter? It's not the most sturdy. So, okay, interesting. I kind of like it. All right, cool. We're gonna try that. All right. What is next? Putting the things that we need back on the thing. I wonder if I'll actually get to starting the repair today. That would be cool. Oh man. Okay. No one said what's going on, what's new. Maybe I'll just say what's up in different languages. Maybe you guys speak different languages. Guten Tag. Kamustika. Where is... Alright, whatever. Okay, so first we have isopropyl alcohol, 99%. That is a necessity for these types of things in my experience. Disposable glove. Those are good, and if we're not getting your oil on the product, or your hand oils, basically. Your hand produces oils. You don't want to get them on the electronic products. Here I have some tools. I have to clean these. That's sort of part of the last project that is still around. Let's see. Okay, what's next? I have a bunch of tools here. Those are just various tools for fixing iPhones, phones, computers in general. This thing is at half of an egg carton. This is what I decided to put tools in. This is before I had a repair mat. I don't know. Well, maybe I'll use it. Maybe the repair mat will make more sense. Oh, that bottle that I just over there, little thing right there, is that is full of isopropyl alcohol, and it's basically for distributing isopropyl alcohol very in small amounts, right? So like there's a needle, or not a needle. There's a little like metal tube, right? And it goes through. It'll go through that little metal tube. I can also take that off, and it goes through this little plastic. What's the word I'm looking for? I want to say plastic nipple. I don't know. I don't know what the right word is. And then this is a repair mat. Some of these are magnetic. I put a short video about the repair mat that I chose. That's an older video though. Now it's like been around for a couple months probably. Okay, so this is it. We're good to go. I think that's all I can think of. And I kind of just want to start. I'm like super annoyed with. I think I must start. I'm getting a bad feeling. I gotta grab the phone real quick. I'm getting one of those feelings where I'm like, no, dude, slow down, because like you should watch a video first because it's been a while since you've watched a video. But I'm also just like, no, I'm over it. I want to go. So I am looking for the phone. A battery, awesome. Here's the phone. Where's the case? That's a magnet. All right, I guess I can find stuff. Okay. Here's the phone. I don't know if I'm like not supposed to show some things like the IMU or whatever. There's nothing wrong with the back. I put it this case is around the front so that it wouldn't get chipped anymore. But as you can see, right? Can you see? Yeah, it's like tore up. Okay. I have the back. All this stuff is incredibly old at this point. Incredibly old. And you know what I kind of want? I kind of want a laptop. I kind of want to put a laptop right here so I can watch the video right here. Watch any videos that I need. Yeah. I grab that. Right? That's a thing to have, right? Like looking at how like that work. All right, BRB, like, I don't know, a minute or 2 minutes or something while I grab that laptop. Now, this is going to be kind of a problem. You see, I have this keyboard. This keyboard is like this laptop doesn't work without the keyboard, and I think the only reason for that is because I didn't replace the battery in the laptop. I was like, no one wants to buy the laptop yet, and so I just can use it. But I don't want a Mac, so I'm not gonna like buy a battery if I can't sell the laptop. So I have that keyboard, and that keyboard makes it less mobile, or like it's just more annoying to move the computer. So, whoops, that thing's fallen. It's no good. I don't love all this business. Yeah, this is not great. Because I almost want that clipped. Because if this power cord falls out, the laptop immediately goes off. And this keyboard I'm scared is going to get in the way. I basically just don't want to mess up the organization of the screws. If the organization of the screws gets messed up, like I don't know how. I think I figured out how and then I like didn't have time to do the repair, but like back when I was problem solving this before, I was Is that where is looking for a clamp. Back when I was problem solving this before, I figured it out, and I was like, okay, cool. Maybe you like weigh the screws, or like, how can I attach this to this? Whoa. Aha. Okay. I kind of like this. All right. Cool. Like basically, when you mess up the screws because they're all so small, you can't really see the difference in size. But then if you use the wrong screw in the wrong placement, or 4 screws that plug an electronic thing in, and use the wrong screw in the wrong placement, then apparently you puncture things, and then you break your whatever electronic device you're working on, right? Especially this is true in case of phones, I think in particular. So I'm a little nervous that I'm just going to do something stupid. So I guess I'm going to have to be cautious of that. But we'll see how it goes. And then let's see. Okay. Let's see here. I am just doing password stuff real quick. Give me a second. Whoops. This is so silly. Every time I stream, I'm like, this is just, there's something that I'm doing that's silly. And awesome. Okay. Yeah. And that was that. All right. This is, dude. I just like, there's endless problems. I kind of like it. The nice thing about endless problems is that it's like, solutions. All right. So we are going to pull up. What? No. YouTube. And search for iPhone 7 plus screen replacement and screen and battery replacement. Okay. Oh man, I hope this works. Because it's like, it's been a while in the making, I guess. I don't know. Okay. Great. This one's 20 minutes. Let's do that. Oops, let's not do that. What? No, I want this. Pause it. Oh man. This setup might have to change because, yeah, well, we'll see. This computer's not the best for YouTube. It's not the worst, but it's not the best. So, okay, so let's.
Hi, welcome. Simon here, and I hope you're doing well.
Oh man, okay. This is the fact that I'm streaming this is the safety along me losing screws. I'm gonna try and like talk, but I will have video backup to see, I guess, if I do something silly. There's some sort of particulate type of matter on this mat, and I'm not in love with that. It's like just dust or whatever. I don't know. Okay. I also don't love that I can't see chat very easily. I can kind of see chat if you guys say something, but it's not the easiest. Yeah, right. That might be fine. Okay. I guess I'm going to start on this today.
In this video, I'll be
Wasn't
doing a
expecting that.
replacement on the iPhone 7 Plus, as well as the battery replacement. So if you take a look at the back of the phone, the model is A166.
I think I even remember this person's voice, and I was just like, yep, this person knows what they're talking about. Maybe I should put this link in chat. Say what we're working from. Well, I can't do that, but it's iPhone 7 Plus screen replacement. That's the title. And Uber Geeks YouTube channel.
It's a fine print here at the bottom, and that is the iPhone 7 Plus. So let me go ahead and turn off the phone. And walk you through step.
Wonder if I can full screen. Basically, the power draw on this computer, like if it gets pulled too much, then it just powers off because there's no battery, and it's Linux power management, I guess. I don't know.
The LCD screen. First, you need to have the 0.8, this little star screwdriver.
You say 0.8 or 0.A? Because I guess I'm going to find out. Star. This is 0.8. I pulled this one, so maybe this is it. All right, cool. Where is the driver? Okay, this is not the best. Oh, right. I wanted to clean these pieces off first. Maybe that'll... Not right now. Yeah. Okay.
You need to remove the two screws from here.
All right. Streaming makes everything so much like different. Whatever. Whatever. I do what I want. This is kind of interesting. Honestly, well, don't pay attention to me. I'm thinking out loud here. I'm thinking out loud here, team. Fixing things feels great. If you've never fixed things before, highly recommend. I don't know, a good thing to start with would be maybe a skateboard, um, rollerblade. Fixing things is it just is great. It's nice to like I don't know. I think I never used to care about it. It was never the type of thing. What did I do with that little piece? There it is. Um, it's never the type of thing that I was interested in. And now, okay, so it basically just there's two screws at the bottom of the phone, and just undo those. What's going on here? The computer froze. What? Why did it freeze? That is unusual. This is not. This happens to me often. It's not very warm. All right, I have to power off, power on. I'm gonna undo these screws. This is kind of annoying. It is difficult for me to see. Oh no, I am. It's working. Is it working? Yeah, okay. Very difficult to see. I need a light. Where's a light? I want a light. And I want. Okay. Oh. So ridiculous. I very much look forward to getting a new laptop. I've been doing some research. I'm having trouble updating this OS right now. I think I've been talking about that on stream, but like updating Nix and oh, okay. Something's acting slow. And which is odd. Nothing's acted slow before, but yeah, I'm having trouble updating Nix OS, and because of that, um, I've been having some issues, which is not fun. I need help figuring out what computer I want. I really want like a System 76 because why not, right? Um, oh man, why? All right, I believe in you. You can work. I'm thinking maybe that this is just a kind of a random thing.
Hi, welcome, Simon here, and hope you're doing well. Screws, go ahead and get yourself this drill prying tool. You want
Okay, remove the screws. Huh. Okay. It's like plastic or like Loctite or something on that screw. Interesting, everything's numbered. These little things are numbered. That is great. Maybe we'll put it in the numbers. Okay, first screw off, that's going to go on. Let's see if... second screw, go in number 2. All right, the metal prying tool. Aha! Of course, I already had it. Maybe I'll just... I don't like the metal there. I can put these... And then this egg carton can go bye-bye. Yeah. More space. Win. Okay.
want to separate the broken glass away from the base of your phone. So stick it in between. Break about this much. You try not to stick it too deep. When you stick the metal prying too deep, what happens is that you may damage the internal components. So just enough for you to put the adhesive right along the side of the phone. So the phone is water resistant.
So they always make this look so easy. And it's like, yeah, whatever. Breaking the adhesive. Just enough to break the adhesive. Does he go all the way around the phone? I am a little bit under. There we go. Okay. Let's see if I'm going to see if he goes all the way around.
And there is a seal right around the corner of your phone. The metal prying too deep, what happens is that you may damage the internal components. So just enough for you to cut the adhesive right along the phone.
I think it just goes all the way around.
Water resistant.
Looks like
and
it.
There's a seal right around the corner of your phone. So what I'm doing right now is separating or cutting the seal so that we can get into the phone afterwards. Alright, once you have cut open the seal, you can open.
Okay. I get it. He just, I don't know which way he opened it. It looks like on the top he opens it from, alright, so if at the top he opens it from the right, or like left to right. Uh-oh. Now I'm like wishing that it was a little shorter. The table was a little shorter. I don't know. We'll see. Here we are. Here we are. Man, it's hard to get around that corner. I don't know what the deal is there. I guess I'll just go the other way. It's going, yeah. What is he using? Am I using the right tool? I think I'm using the right tool. Yeah, I am. Some of these tools look so similar, though. It's like, okay, I'm going to look to see if I have something else. It's like, oh, whatever. I like this one. So I started trying to do this. It's much more difficult than he makes it seem. Or maybe I'm working against myself. Trying from the top now. I guess I could pull up harder. It's like the screen's already broken, right? The bottom is, yeah, all right, I'm pulling up a little harder so that I give myself more room to operate. Sort of pulling up as I go around the phone. And that is working for me. It's like move a few centimeters or whatever. Pull up, move a few more, pull up. What is the best isometric way to work out one's back and shoulders? Back and shoulders and chest. Who knows? Isometrics. What do you guys know? The corners are difficult. What do you guys and gals and etc. know? Oh man. Yeah, it is not easy to do the corner. I want something to ground myself to. Kind of something back there I can touch. Mm, mm. This is my experience with every, like, it's like he does it in about 30 seconds. I do it in 5 minutes to an hour. I'm getting there. It just popped up. This, like other things matter too. Like it's hard to, you don't know if you're the weird one or if you're doing a difficult thing until you've like done multiple, right? Like if I did this 100 more times, I might be like, oh, that one was really hard, and maybe it was hard because like the adhesive was really stuck because of some XYZ. This is getting this top off is not easy, and I think I'm just gonna try and open it. And I think it's because of the way the phone's broke or because of, it's the adhesive, I guess. Okay. Okay.
All right, once you have cut open the seal, metal plate. This metal plate is held down by 4 screws, and these 4 screws are tri-screws, or we call it Y screws.
Okay, interesting.
And remove that little Y.
So one of these screws came out immediately, which makes me think it was either misassembled or I don't know. One of these screws came out. It is the screw. Maybe I should just show the camera. It's the top screw. If the phone is like horizontal with the screen facing away from you, right? If you have it folded open like a laptop, um, ah, it's that screw. Where is it? It's that screw. My left thumb is not. Whatever, right? So there's a screw here at top. There's a screw down to the right, a screw down to the middle, it's down to the left. It's the one at the top, one that's furthest from me as I hold it in that position. That screw came out with the thing. So I have a magnetic tip here. I'm just going to grab it. And I'm going to put that in the number. Okay, well, the screws are already moving. Now, this is why you want a fully magnetic mat. That's not good. I don't like. Ah! I thought this mat was fully magnetic, so now I'm no longer a fan. Like, how much? I don't even know how that moved. Okay. I guess I could measure every single one. I'm just gonna try to not move the mat because I do want to be able to work with it. I don't want to have to get a new mat. That screw is going in the number 3. Oh, in the number 3. Yeah, the number 3. Okay. And then
screws. Use the Y screwdriver to do so. What I'll do is I will link
use the what screwdriver?
That little Y.
The Y screwdriver. All right, where's that? I have multiple Y screwdrivers. Right? Oh, interesting. Huh. Do I actually? Sorry, I just realized that I might have a thing that I paid too much for. Okay. These are Ys? Are these Ys? It's hard to see. They don't look like Ys. They look like Phillips heads. Maybe I'm tripping. Okay, I don't know if it's a 0.6, a 1.5, or a 2. I'm going to try the 0.6. The 0.6 works. So all the drivers that I've used, I'm going to put because I'm going to need them to go back. All this flopping around, so we're dealing with the screws. All right, so put the Y in. All right, so the top one went in 3. Now I'm going to go to the one to the left because that's just what I like naturally did. That one's significantly shorter. That's going to go in 4. Yeah, so it's the top row. This is very weird. This numbering on these little pads is very weird. Oh, wait, no, okay. It's not. They're numbered 1 to 129, it seems. Okay. Okay, so that one was the left that went in 4, and then the bottom one is going to go into 5. And then the one all the way to my right is going to go into 6. Crap. I think that's the same one. A different one, but this is like, it popped into the one with the other one. So I'm hoping I just grabbed the right one. We might just break the whole board doing this. It's driving me nuts. Because it fell into 5. The one that was 6 fell into 5. I tried to put it in 6, fell into 5. Okay. Let's see. You guys can have a closer view. Maybe that would be better. Let's see. I expect. Yeah, whatever. Okay. All right.
Screws. Use the white screwdriver to do so. What I'll do is I will link all the
Y
tools
screwdriver
and the replacement parts in the description below. You can go ahead and check out the description below, and you can buy those.
Dude has gloves on, and he just grabbed that. I don't want to put gloves on. I'm just not in the mood. I understand, like sometimes you're just not in the mood. So instead of using gloves, oh, I should just be able to grab it with this magnetic driver, right? No, apparently not. I kind of want to just grab it with a tweezers. I'm a little skeptical of this because it's metal and I don't want to damage anything, but no. Uh-oh. Just lost chat. It's my bad. I was using this mouse to prop up the thing here. Get this back real quick. All right. Cool. All right. So I'm just grabbing this with. I kind of want to grab it with plastic tweezers. Is that a thing? I don't think I have. Well, I don't think I have plastic tweezers. So I'm going to look real quick. Because, yeah. And while I'm at it, this driver right here. Is this actually the same as this? This would be the second time that I can think of in recent history where I have bought a tool that I already had. No, this one goes deeper. Okay, yeah, I thought I saw that one. It's like this one's even deeper. I think this is 4. I forget what repair that's for, but I don't know. Whatever. I have it now. Okay. Whatever. I can go there for now. So this is gonna go back here. It might actually be for this repair. Okay.
Parts from either Amazon or eBay, and follow along the tutorial on how to change the screen as well as the battery. Now, once you have the
What did you just say? Whatever.
Go ahead and disconnect this here.
No, whatever. I don't care. All right. What tool are you using?
Flex cable is for the battery. Remove. Go ahead and disconnect this here. This flex cable is for the bracket. Remove.
Okay, I'm disconnecting a flex cable. Now this. Oh, I need to remove that first. This is where. I need to clean thermal paste off of this, I think. So I'm going to need this for this repair. Let's remove this first, though. Okay. Just going to put that up into my right, up into my left, rather. Try not to touch it too much. Maybe I really should have gloves for this. I mean, it's a phone. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm going to move that flex cable. So this has thermal paste on it. I'm just going to quickly grab a little, I don't think it needs a toothbrush. I actually really have no idea what it needs. And I don't really know, like, the best. I just want there to be a system for all this stuff. I think it's because it feels so intimate or intricate. But I'm just going to take some toilet paper and put a little bit of 99% on the toilet paper and wipe it off. And really, ow. Okay. I cut my hand apparently. Does that hurt? This might be better with 70% alcohol. I think I might call this good. Drives me nuts. Yeah. I have so much 99% alcohol though right now. I'm just like, should I really buy more? And the answer is maybe. The 99% stuff is like, I don't know. It's a lot more expensive if I remember it. Whoa! Okay. All right. I think I might take that as a sign. I'll take that as a sign to be done for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. See you in the next one.